Hello, this is Steve at Hydrogen for Health. Today I'm excited to show you a new product that we have. Active H2 Ultra. What this is just a tablet that you put into water that makes hydrogen. So this tablet has the right compounds in them, natural compounds. When you throw it into water, the compounds react with each other and put hydrogen into your water. The great thing about this tablet is it puts in nanobubbles into your water. These are very, very small, micro, fine bubbles that the human eye can't see. You can see it clouding up here. These are micro bubbles that can be seen by the eye, but it's the nanobubbles that we can't see that make this tablet so powerful. It takes less than a minute to dissolve. What you do is you take about 12 ounces of water, you throw one tablet into the water. In less than a minute you have high PPM hydrogen water ready to drink. You can see how the water is cloudy. Those are micro bubbles you can see. It's the nanobubbles that you can't see. The smaller you have your hydrogen bubbles, the more hydrogen you can get into the water. So we're going to test the ppm of this just to see how much hydrogen you're getting in this 12-ounce glass of water. Right here we have our MIZ drops. This is what we use to measure the amount of hydrogen in water. We're going to take a sample of the water up to this yellow line, and then we're going to put some drops of this in it. And for each drop that we put in it that turns clear, that's 0.1 ppm. Let's go ahead and take a sample. We've got our sample there. See how much hydrogen we have in this water. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put 5 drops in there. I'll stir it up. You see it turn clear. So we have at least 0.5 ppm. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That would be 1 ppm. See it turn clear again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 15 drops. So that's 1.5 ppm. You can see it turn clear again. So got 16, 17, 19, 20 drops. Let's see if we have 2 ppm. You can see it cleared up again. We have 2 ppm. Let's put in one more drop. It's cleared up again. 2.1. One more drop. This would be 2.2 ppm. Not cleared up. 3, 4, 2.4 ppm. See what we get. I'd say that's right around 2.4, 2.5 ppm. So very high concentration. As you can see, it's cleared up again. Let's put one more drop. Let's put 2 more. It's 2.5 and then 2.6. About 2.6 ppm. Very high concentration. The neat thing about this water is that because it has nanobubbles in it, it's going to stay in the water much longer. You can see the tablet's been dissolved for quite a while now. You can still see small bubbles rising to the top from inside the water. These are the nanobubbles collecting together and forming small microbubbles that come to the top. And it'll sit there and it'll bubble like that for quite a while. So this water will hold its hydrogen content for quite a while. Now the question I had before we started carrying these tablets was, how does this water taste? It has a slightly different taste than regular straight hydrogen water because of the additives in the tablet that actually make the hydrogen. It has a slightly different taste than regular water. Also, you can see on the top here, you can see some small particles floating in there. Those are the binders inside the tablet. So what they do is they have all their ingredients they put into the tablet. Then to keep all the ingredients together in a tablet form, they use what's called a binder. It's all natural. It keeps the tablet together. So after it's dissolved, you get a few of those binders at the top. So now I'm going to show you guys something really cool before we end this video. You can see that did clear up. So we're looking at 2.7, 2.8 ppm, very high. Okay, I want to show you guys something. So I have another container here. This one holds 750 milliliters, which is about 24 ounces. So double the amount of what we have here. What I have here is a cap that has a seal around it. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop 2 tablets in here. I'm going to seal it up, and then we're going to test the ppm level when the hydrogen is under pressure. So it's going to force more nanobubbles into the water because it's under pressure. I filled it all the way to the top, so there won't be any air gap at the top. Okay, let's go ahead and try that. So I'm going to put 2 tablets in here because we have twice the amount of water. Okay, here we go. We'll let that go for about a minute, and we'll measure the hydrogen content of that water. One note here, this is an aluminum bottle. Aluminum is a great storage medium for hydrogen water. If you store your hydrogen water in a sealed aluminum container, it'll last for days, maybe weeks, depending on the container. So if you're looking for a good way to store hydrogen water, an aluminum container is the way to go. Okay, this is probably dissolved in here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and we'll test the water. See, there was some pressure there. Let the pressure off. I'm going to pour a little bit off the top, and then we'll get a sample here. There we go, there's our sample. You can hear the hydrogen bubbling out of the water, kind of like a soda does with the carbonation. Okay, let's test this. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I just put 20 drops in there. That'd be 2 ppm. Let's see, that cleared right up. Let's put in 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that'd be 2.5 ppm. There we go. Put in 2 more. So this would be 2.7 ppm. 2.8, 2.9, 3.0. So this would be 3 ppm. 3.1, 3.2. There we go. 3.3, 3.4, 3.5. 3.6, 3.7. I'm going to say about 3.7 ppm. So we were able to raise the ppm level by a full point just by putting it in a sealed container. Pretty amazing. If you're looking to get a high level, high concentration of hydrogen water, the tablets are the way to go. Also, for obvious reasons, these are great for travel, because you could just drop these in your suitcase or in your bag, and you can drop the tablet into water anywhere you go. So these are great for travel also. You can see that cleared up again. I mean, it might go up to 4 ppm. Very high concentrations. Before I end this video, I want to show you. You can see there the bubbles still rising in this water. So this water's been sitting here the whole video. It still has a high concentration of hydrogen water. It's actually pretty amazing. So check out our active H2 Ultra molecular hydrogen tablets, available now on our website, www.hydrogen4health.com. This is Steve. Thanks for watching.